Hello everyone, I'm Nara from AsiaGo, and today I would like to introduce my company and our time schedule and how we process. So first of all, we always conduct a job briefing session every day, but on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, our briefing session is at 11 o'clock and job interview is at 2 o'clock. And on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and also at Sunday, job briefing session starts at 2 o'clock, but job interview starts at 5 o'clock. So every day there are more than 20 companies are cooperated with us to introduce their job offers. And every time you come, you get one ticket. The yellow ticket is this proves you are qualified for the job interview. So let's take an example. This is a recycling company that located at Tokyo, and also the working hours starts from 7:30 to 4:30, and the salary starts from 192,000 yen to 209,000 yen. There are bonuses that are available. There are no specific experience are required, and also having just a conversational Japanese is okay. So just like this, there are a lot of many other job offers that are at our company. So if you're looking for a job, contact us through that phone number. Thank you.